Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the ramen egg soufflé. This clever hack transforms your leftover ramen broth into a delicious, fluffy egg soufflé. It's a super simple recipe that requires just a few ingredients in your microwave, making it perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. You'll be amazed at how easily you can create this comforting, protein-packed dish. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need approximately 1/2 cup of leftover ramen broth, or freshly prepared broth if you prefer. Next, crack 2 large eggs into a microwave-safe bowl. For an extra kick of flavor, consider adding a dash of sriracha chili sauce or some chopped green onions. These few items are all you need to create your delightful soufflé. Now for the cooking process. In your microwave-safe bowl, whisk the 2 eggs and ramen broth together until they are well combined and slightly frothy. Cover the bowl with a paper towel or a microwave-safe lid to prevent any splatters. Place it in the microwave and cook on high for about 3 to 5 minutes, checking for your desired consistency after 3 minutes. It's that easy. Once your ramen egg soufflé is cooked to perfection, it's time to enjoy. Garnish with fresh green onions or a sprinkle of cheese for added flavor. This fluffy, savory soufflé is wonderful on its own as a quick snack or light meal. You can also serve it alongside steamed rice, a slice of toast, or some fresh sliced avocado for a more substantial and satisfying dish. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.